just going to go through touching the front up today. Be a bit of a longer video, I'm just going to let it run. What I like to have when I do my touch-ups is my kit. So I've got my C22 just in case, lace release, set of tweezers, little brush, my Ghost Bond, a comb, and I've got everything here in a little bag, just like a little first aid kit. So, and don't forget your cotton wool. Cotton wool's what you're going to need to clean it, so that's what you need. Get a little bit of cotton wool, a little bit of lace release, just wet that. You can go as far back as as you're comfortable with. So I like to take it to about there, just so you can get a real good bond back on the front. If you get your clip, there, look at that, look, beauty, eh? One thing that I will say with this is just be patient. If you start to panic, then that's when things can really get messy. So just don't panic, just take your time. Look, you can see it all coming off, dry cotton wool. The lace release is just to start the peel back. You see it all coming off. Right, so I'm just going to do this and then I'll revert back. So as you can see, it's all coming off quite easily. See, you do want to try and make sure you get as much of the glue off as possible. See, some people ask, does it smell? Does the glue smell where you've been sweating? I don't smell anything. It's never been a concern. It's never been brought up to me that it smells, or which you'd think it would, but okay. So that's 90% of the glue off now. If you do get glue in the system, don't worry about it. That's what your lace release and your C22 is for. So just use your little bit of lace release. I like to comb it through if I do get it on in the system. Try and go back to a comfortable distance so you can get a really good bond back on the front. Obviously don't go too far back that you're all but peeling the system off. Just go back to what you're comfortable with. So if you see here, I've got glue in my hair, a little bit of lace release. There, gone, clean. Right, so obviously you can see a little bit of my hair is growing back there. If you want, get a razor. It's only a little bit of hair. You can shave that back. Right, so once that's done, again, get the lace release, clean that. And make sure you clean all your oils off. Let's see. I like to get a towel then, make sure it's a clean towel, so really give it a good dry. Okay, what I personally use is a little brush there, so you can get your Ghost Bond. Pop the lid off. And then you can do a little test run. I mean, I'm sort of confident with where my hairline is. You know, you can, good little tip. If you haven't got a pen or like an eyeliner, I use the end of my tweezers. Look where that is. Not very hard. Just do a little line. You can faintly see it there. And that works for me. That's what I like to do. Right, so again, clip system back up. You see it all the way. So now you start just a little bit at a time. When you put the glue on, if it's thick and white, it's not going to set very well. So you just want so you can put it on thick to start. Then just make sure you're spreading it even. You can get things like scalp protector. You can get all this from Hair for All. That's quite good to put on before you do this. I've actually ran out, so that's the only reason I'm not doing it this time. But yeah, scalp protector is quite good. You can just see there. So that's the first coating. Now you can either wait for this to dry for about 5-10 minutes, or once it starts to tack off, don't touch it because you've got oil on your hands. I just get a hairdryer, cool heat, don't put it on hot because if we sweat, you know, that's not going to help the bond. Just on a low heat, low power. Keep the hairdryer on it so it goes clear. If the glue's still looking quite white, you just touch it back in. That's enough to start the second coat. Just quickly as well, get yourself a little mirror. You know, it definitely pays off to be completely set up for this. You know, if you decide to get a system, you know, just spend that bit of money buying, you know, your little brushes, your mirrors, get yourself a little kit, you know, your C22, your lace release. Hair for All can help you with all of that, and guide you in the right direction. You can also use little glue spatulas for this. There is other ways of doing your front with the Walker tape, things like that. Don't think I've got any. Oh, I'll put some here. So you can use that, which you just cut little pieces of tape and stick it on, but I prefer the glue. I just feel more in control with the glue. And so they recommend 2 coats, 2 coats of the glue. You know, make sure you are going right to the edge of the area that you're trying to glue down, because you want to make sure it's all bonded. Probably. If you come just past the front of your hairline, doesn't overly matter, because you can clean that off with a wet wipe after. I've done that a few times. You know, when I'm trying to rush, I'll just sort of slap it on and then clean it with the wet wipe after. So yeah, I would recommend 2 coats to start with. See how you get on with that. If 2 coats lifts, then try 3. Try with a scalp protector as well. Again, back to the hairdryer, go a little bit longer this time. You know, you can see little bits of glue on the system, I'm not worried about that. See that little bit of white there, look. Spread that down a little bit. Right, so it'll go quite sheeny once it's ready to go down. Right, so I use the ends of tweezers to put this down. So unclip the system and then just roll that down, and then as it gets to the end, just use the ends of your tweezers and just touch that down. There. Alright, so you got just be patient. You know, if you've got your border right and there's glue there, it will stick. You know, a couple little bits have come past. It doesn't matter if the actual hair from the system sticks on the glue a little bit, because you know, if anything, you know, you can see there, just looks even more natural. So again, just double check, you know, make sure you haven't got too much glue past where you actually want the system. You know, see it there? It's all back down. Okay, once you've done that, little tip, providing the perimeter of your system is pretty bang on and you haven't got glue all over your forehead. If you have, clean that off before. If not, tea towel again. Again, it's the first thing in the morning for me, so normal ritual is to put the towel on. Just do that all over. So, you see there, glued back down, looking good. Happy. Obviously the glue's fresh, don't go whipping your hair back, give it time to set. Always have a shower before you do this, because you have got to leave 24 hours once it's glued. Well, recommended 24 hours before you get your hair system wet. So I have a shower, get Kate to dry my hair, she does any perimeter touch-ups if it needs it, and then I'll do the front. I would recommend learning and practicing how to do your front yourself. If you ever go away anywhere and it lifts, you know, you've got your own kit, you've got everything you need there to do a little touch-up. Based on the video, it's taken 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and that's all it takes. It takes some people longer to have a shower and get ready. So I hope that's helped. You know, I'm off on holiday now with the boys, so I'll take a couple of videos and show up how it performs abroad. So, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.